The entire Black Flag soundtrack got re-uploaded, hinting to the Assassin's Creed Black Flag remake, which felt less like a leak and more like an announcement. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech and gaming news. Fans have dreamt of sailing again, as Black Flag is one of the greatest Assassin's Creed games ever made. The pirate fantasy, the open seas, the jackdaw. But remaking it comes with serious risks, especially with Ubisoft's track record. Modern remakes like Valhalla and Shadows look stunning, but players think they've lost the soul of classic Assassin's Creed, which was all about tight parkour, focused storytelling, and player control. If Ubisoft gets anything right, it has to be dynamic weather. Borrowing Shadows' jaw-dropping storms, fog, and environmental effects could transform this combat game into something spectacular. And if they touch the parkour, fans may riot. Black Flag's movement is fast, fluid, and players like it a lot, unlike the heavily automated systems of recent games. Sure, they can clean it up, refine it, modernize controls, but shouldn't replace it. Then there's the baggage. Trust us, no one will bat an eye if Ubisoft throws that out of the window. Bloated RPG loot systems with endless swords and stats? Absolutely not. Black Flag is all about simplicity and not stats and baggage. Even fan-favorite DLC Freedom Cry might be better folded into the main story than fully remade. If this remake happens, Ubisoft has to make sure it only gives the game a modern polish without feeling that much modern, because one wrong move could turn a beloved pirate classic into another overstuffed RPG, and that will be the real Black Flag. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any. With just a month remaining until the release of Assassin's Creed Shadows, Ubisoft has unveiled the latest updates to the game's parkour mechanics, a defining feature of the franchise. Officially slated for a November 2024 release, the game faced delays and is now set to launch on February 14th. Ahead of its highly anticipated debut, Ubisoft has announced significant changes to Assassin's Creed Shadows' iconic parkour system. Parkour has long been one of the series' most exhilarating aspects, enabling players to navigate obstacles with fluid movements such as jumping, climbing, running, and crawling. In a recent blog post, Ubisoft revealed a key alteration. The crouch and dodge buttons have been reassigned. Simon Remake Home Toys Associate Game Director explained, in Shadows, dodge has been merged with the parkour down mechanics, unlocking a host of new parkour moves. This new control mapping also separates stance switching, such as standing, crouching, or going prone from parkour, allowing players to use any stance without accidentally descending from a rooftop. Ubisoft has also introduced several new techniques and restrictions for parkour. Unlike earlier titles in the series, Assassin's Creed Shadows won't permit players to climb certain surfaces unless there are tangible handholds available. This limitation encourages players to strategize their movements rather than relying on the unrestricted climbing mechanics of previous games. Remake Home Toys added, "We had to approach this thoughtfully, creating engaging parkour highways. This approach gave us greater control over where our protagonists, Naui and Yasuke, can go and where they can't." It also highlights the contrast between their distinct playstyles. Xbox fans, get ready to clear your schedules, because November is about to explode with new Game Pass releases, and Microsoft isn't holding back. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. The biggest headline is the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 hitting Game Pass on day one, giving subscribers 16 thrilling 6 vs 6 maps and 2 massive 20 vs 20 maps right at launch. But the madness starts even earlier. On November 5th is the indie survival horror road trip Dead Static Drive, a retro 80s adventure that will test your nerves as you journey across the country. It shares the release date with Sniper Elite Resistance, a tactical third-person shooter with rich sniper mechanics and a co-op campaign perfect for teaming up with friends. November 6th brings the quirky chaos of Egging On, where you play as a fragile egg trying to escape a perilous henhouse while navigating jaw-dropping obstacles and dizzying heights. On the same day, strategy fans can dive into Whisker Wood, managing mouse colonies under the watchful eye of a cunning feline overlord. The excitement doesn't stop there. November 11th has Lara Croft and the Temple of Osiris, along with the hilarious Pigeon Simulator, joining the Game Pass library, while November 12th brings Relic Hunter's Legend and Winter Burrow for those craving action and adventure. And then, of course, the crown jewel Call of Duty Black Black Ops 7 drops on November 14th. Just remember, if you want access to these big releases on day one, you'll need the $30 per month Game Pass Ultimate. But it's not all incoming fun because November 15th will see some favorites going out of service, like Football Manager 2024, Frostpunk, and Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. Between launches and farewells, November's Game Pass lineup is full of gaming chaos and outright absurdity. And there's something for every Xbox fan this month. So, which one are you playing first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech. Gamescom 2025 has officially begun, and this year's event is full of exciting news. From blockbuster trailers to hardware unveilings, the gaming world is buzzing, and we're only just getting started. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Let's take a quick dive into 5 of the biggest reveals so far that have lit up the event. Number 1 is Xbox handhelds. After years of anticipation, Microsoft has officially announced release dates for its first Xbox handhelds. The Rogue Xbox Ally and Rogue Xbox Ally X are coming on October 16th. The higher-end Ally X rocks a Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme chip, 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage, while the base model still impresses with a Ryzen Z2A and 16GB RAM. We're so excited for this one. Next is LEGO Batman Returns. TT Games is bringing back LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The reveal trailer wowed fans by blending comic book lore with references to the Nolan films, Arkham games, and even the Batman. This new open-world Gotham looks darker, more detailed, and more ambitious than ever. Oh, and Matt Berry as Bane? Instant gold. On number 3, we have Hollow Knight Silksong. It's not a drill. Team Cherry finally gave us a solid launch date for Hollow Knight Silksong, which is September 4th, 2025. After years of teases and delays, it's finally here. A surprise stream after opening night live showcased new mechanics, a massive world, and a crafting system, with post-launch content already in the works. It's already hitting all major platforms, including the Nintendo Switch 2. On 4, Sony's in-zone lineup. Sony isn't just focused on PlayStations, it's expanding its in-zone gaming gear lineup as well. The new H9 II headset now comes with a detachable mic and lighter build. There's also a sleek KBD H75 mechanical keyboard, a new gaming mouse, and new mouse pads. FPS fans should check out the new in-zone A9 earbuds too. Sony's making sure we change our whole gaming setup. Now let's check out Call of Duty Black Ops 7, which made a dramatic entrance with a trailer that confirms a setting in 2035, picking up after the events of Black Ops 2. This 4-player game has wild global missions and a new twist. The End Game, an open-world finale that changes based on how you played. With big reveals from all corners of the gaming world and more updates still to come, Gamescom's surely been a great event for gamers. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.